Hey Aidan, how you doing, buddy? This is Richard Karn. I am giving you a tool time salute because your dad, Steve, wants you to know how awesome you are. At 15 years old, you're helping out your dad. I mean, that's pretty special. Now remember, you're 15, so there's a lot of things going on, and there will be in the next few years. I'm telling you, hormones, school, just a lot of stuff. But you know what? You're working hard. You're leading by an example. And that is what happens when you're a true guy, a true man. Now, I met your dad, Steve, back in like 91. I was an apartment manager. Trying to be an actor, but I was working hard at making a living while I find my living doing whatever it was I intended to do. Oddly enough, about a year later, I got home improvement. Yeah, we started in 91. But that was after quite a few years of nose to the grindstone, building relationships and, well, working hard. So just know that, all right? The really good stuff in life doesn't come that easy. You got to look for it. You got to work for it. You got to be it. So just know that. And your dad's there to help you out, which is pretty special. All right, buddy? Take care. Good luck.